Oh, it looks great, dude. Let's take a picture.
Momo's eating wagyu. Mmm.
More for daddy.
It's like, this is like an old lady store, but I did some shopping at this 100 yen shop. It was a great time. Eric's building Jacob his mega transformers.
Yeah, first I have to build each of them individually. All 5 of them.
And then they all come together to make a giant one?
Yeah.
Try some of Jacob. This is the pork. We're at the aquarium and they're both sleeping.
Wake up, Jacob. She didn't even notice it.
Talking up a big game about these creme ice creams, and so we're trying it. Was it good?
It's pretty good. Here, I'm gonna put it in the cup. You a couple.
Never miss a Daiso. Spent $37.
Thank you.
So fast. Just bought the tickets online. Now we have to wait 15 minutes for a see-through gondola.
I mean, we could just go without waiting, but do you want to see through? Dropped it off the Ferris wheel.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the AC.
Whoa! Oh my, look, we're so high! We're not going upside down.
I'm so scared. I'm just kidding.
Oh, we're cresting, we're cresting.
Come by.
Come by! Is it video?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Come by!
Here, we'll figure it out.
And now it's completely different food. It's not American. You can probably get come-by. You should eat the seared one.
Wow.
That's special.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate you.
You're welcome. What other ones do you like on here?
Oh, I don't care. I'll eat it.
I kind of want to go for the onion.
Do it.
Do you mind?
No, go for it.
Go for
Cheers.
Come by.
Oishii. Yay! We have reached our destination. This is gyukatsu restaurant in Dotonbori.
Yo, that's nice.
Hot.
Why is the Wi-Fi balls?
I'm dipping in the sauce.
Yeah, so you can try it with the sauce. You can try it raw, and then you can heat it up.
This is cooked perfectly though. Let's not heat it up to like.
Let's feel this.
Our stay on soccer just
I'm at Siberian. I've only heard amazing things. I'm so excited. Hot touch.
yeah.
Finally got home from a long day of shopping, and this is our stroller.
These are yours, right?
Yeah.
Seriously doing the most. Jacob, what did you just tell mommy? It's so quiet and what?
It's so quiet and peaceful. It's so quiet and peaceful.
Yeah, babe.
Another playground.
Yeah, and I don't know. I mean, I've never practiced it.
Whoa.
I'm so jealous.
That's whoa. Let's go.
Yo,
That's scary.
fruit juice over there.
That's scary. Sheesh.
Yo, Mui also wants attention.
Oh, uh-oh. Trying to copy your mama? Yeah, mama.